In the previous video, we have created our first Selenium script and we ran it successfully on Chrome browser. So this is completed now. In this video, we will see how to run the Selenium script on Firefox browser. In the previous video, for running our tests on Chrome browser, we did two things mainly. The first one is we have set the system property webdriver.chrome.driver to the path where we have saved the driver.exe file, which is chrome driver.exe file. We have done it using system object system.setProperty of webdriver.chrome.driver, and we used the path to chrome driver.exe here. So this is the first thing we have done for Chrome browser. The second thing we have done is we have created an object of the Chrome driver, which is webdriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. So we have created an object for the Chrome driver, and then we used the method get method to open the web page google.com in the Chrome browser. So this is for Chrome browser. So for Firefox browser, we will use the same thing, but instead of webdriver.chrome.driver, we will use gecko.driver. So this will be webdriver.gecko.driver, and we will create an object of Firefox driver here. So it is webdriver driver equals to new Firefox driver. So this is what we do in case of Firefox browser. So in Chrome driver, we have used system.setProperty webdriver.chrome.driver, and we have used the path for chrome driver.exe. In case of Firefox browser, we use webdriver.gecko.driver and the path to geckodriver.exe file. So this is what we use in case of Firefox browser. So in case of Chrome browser, for the driver object, we use new Chrome driver here. In case of Firefox browser, we use new Firefox driver here. So before creating our script for Firefox browser, we have to download geckodriver.exe first. Then we can write these steps: system.setProperty of webdriver.gecko.driver and the path to the geckodriver.exe file, and then we can create the driver object using new Firefox driver. So first let's see how to download the geckodriver.exe file. To download the geckodriver.exe file, first go to Google and type geckodriver download, and the first result you will see is github.com/mozilla/geckodriver/releases. So click on this one. Once you click on this one, it will show different releases here for different operating systems. So since mine is a Windows 64 operating system, I will download this one. The download is completed now, and I will go to the downloads folder and I will copy it to my browser drivers folder. Now I will unzip this Gecko driver folder. Okay, this is unzipped now, and I will just copy it. I'll just paste it here, and I will delete this one. Okay, now I have downloaded the geckodriver.exe file into the browser drivers folder. Now let's start the Selenium script. I'm creating a new class here and I'm giving the name as Firefox browser and I'm using the main method. Okay, now the class is created. Now what I will do is I will copy this piece of code that we have created yesterday for Chrome browser and I am pasting it in the main method. Okay, now the System.setProperty, so webdriver.chrome.driver, I have to change it to webdriver.gecko.driver for running it on Firefox browser, and see browser drivers folder, instead of chromedriver.exe we have to change it to geckodriver.exe. That's the one we have just downloaded, and the driver object we have to create it for Firefox Driver, new Firefox Driver, and it will show an error here, and the error is import Firefox Driver. So we need to import this one. So just click on that one and it will import this, and we don't need the Chrome driver import, so we can delete this one. Now save it. So this step is same, where we are using the get method and we are opening google.com. So let me explain you one more time. So what I have done is I have copied these 3 lines of code from the script that we have created yesterday, and we have changed these parameters here. The first one is in the System.setProperty we have used webdriver.gecko.driver and we have used the path for the geckodriver.exe file which we have downloaded just now, and the driver object we have created yesterday for Chrome driver. So we have changed that one to Firefox driver because we want to run the scripts on Firefox browser, and this driver.get method is same, where we are passing the google.com URL here so that it will open the home page of google.com. Now let's save this one and run this. Right click on this, run as Java application, and it started running. Now Firefox browser is opened and Google homepage is opened. So now we have created our script and executed the script successfully on Firefox browser. So in this video we have created our script and executed the script successfully on Firefox browser. If you want to download the documentation for this one, go to my repository at github.com/suppustech and go to Selenium-tutorials. This is the 2A video, so search here with 2A and you will find the document here and you can download this one. In the next video we will see how to execute the Selenium scripts on Edge browser.